So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add lines on FreeForm. So the first thing you want to do is open up FreeForm, then open up a whiteboard that you've been using, or a new whiteboard, doesn't really matter. So let's just zoom out a bit. So from here, if I want to add a line, which will be a sort of stuff they have under shapes and objects and stuff like that. So that will be the middle section of the bottom row. So let's click on that. And from here, you can see basic geometry, objects, animals, nature, food, symbols, education, as well as arts, science, people, places, activities. So you can get a sense of there's a lot of different categories. So once you are at basic, you can choose the first option. So that will be this line. So let's just zoom here. And you can basically use that line, and you can see I can mess around with it as well. So if I just expand it for it to be that as a vertical line, so I can just use it as maybe a prompt to connect something, maybe to set it up between these two shapes. So you can see it's connecting them right now. And if I need a straight line, so the best way would be to find them there. You can also add an arrow, you can add an ellipses. So there's quite a lot of different stuff that you can add through there, but the line will work something like this. So make sure that you have something that's going to be well connected, and the best way to do that is to basically to use a straight line. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on FreeForm or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.